Protein is one of the most crucial nutrients for our bodies. It plays a significant role in nearly every bodily function. Without protein, our bodies would struggle to repair cells, produce enzymes, and even maintain a strong immune system. In short, protein is essential for our overall health and well-being. Understanding the importance of protein can help us make better dietary choices. By ensuring we get enough protein, we can support our body's natural processes and improve our health. From muscle repair to hormone production, protein is involved in countless bodily functions. This essay will explore the many roles of protein in our health. We'll also discuss how protein can help manage weight, control diabetes, and maintain hormonal balance. Finally, we'll offer practical tips for incorporating more protein into your diet. Whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to improve your health, understanding protein is key. Protein builds and repairs tissues, muscles, skin, hair, and nails are made of proteins. Exercise and injuries require protein for repair. Athletes need more protein than sedentary people. Protein consists of amino acids, the building blocks. 9 essential amino acids must come from our diet. Protein is crucial for healthy skin and hair. Proteins are not only structural components, but also functional molecules. Enzymes, which are proteins, act as catalysts in biochemical reactions. They speed up reactions that would otherwise occur too slowly to sustain life. Enzymes are involved in digestion, energy production, and many other vital processes. Hormones are another type of protein that plays a crucial role in our bodies. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various physiological processes. For example, insulin, a hormone made of protein, helps regulate blood sugar levels. Thyroid hormones, also proteins, regulate metabolism and energy production. Without enzymes and hormones, our bodies wouldn't function properly. Enzymes ensure that our metabolic processes occur at the right speed. Hormones ensure that our body systems are coordinated and balanced. By consuming enough protein, we support the production of these essential molecules. Our immune system relies on proteins to function effectively. Antibodies, which are proteins, help identify and neutralize foreign invaders like bacteria and viruses. These antibodies are produced by our immune cells in response to infections. Without enough protein, our bodies can't produce enough antibodies to fight off infections. In addition to antibodies, other immune cells also depend on protein. T cells and B cells, which are critical for immune responses, require protein for their development and function. Protein is also necessary for the production of cytokines, which are signaling molecules that help regulate the immune response. By consuming enough protein, we can support our immune system and reduce the risk of infections. This is especially important for individuals with weakened immune systems, such as the elderly or those with chronic illnesses. Ensuring adequate protein intake can help keep our immune system strong and responsive. Section 5. Maintaining fluid balance. Proteins play a vital role in maintaining fluid balance in our bodies. Albumin and globulin, 2 types of proteins found in our blood, help regulate the movement of fluids between tissues and the bloodstream. These proteins create an osmotic pressure that prevents excessive fluid from leaking out of blood vessels. Without enough protein, this balance can be disrupted, leading to conditions like edema. Edema is the swelling of tissues due to fluid accumulation. It can occur in various parts of the body, including the legs, feet, and hands. Ensuring adequate protein intake helps prevent such imbalances and maintains healthy fluid distribution. Proteins also play a role in transporting nutrients and waste products. Hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells, carries oxygen from the lungs to tissues and returns carbon dioxide to the lungs for exhalation. This efficient transport system is crucial for maintaining cellular function and overall health. Section 6. Providing energy. While carbohydrates and fats are the primary energy sources, proteins can also provide energy when needed. During periods of fasting, intense exercise, or inadequate carbohydrate intake, our bodies can break down proteins for energy. This process, known as gluconeogenesis, converts amino acids into glucose. However, using protein for energy is not ideal, as it diverts protein from its primary functions. Therefore, it's essential to consume enough carbohydrates and fats to meet energy needs. This allows proteins to focus on their roles in tissue repair, enzyme production, and immune function. Athletes and active individuals may require more protein to support their energy needs. Consuming protein-rich snacks before and after workouts can help maintain energy levels and support muscle recovery. Balancing protein intake with other macronutrients ensures optimal energy utilization and overall health. Section 7. Transport and storage of molecules. Proteins are involved in the transport and storage of various molecules within our bodies. Hemoglobin, mentioned earlier, is a prime example. It transports oxygen from the lungs to tissues and returns carbon dioxide for exhalation. Another example is transferrin, a protein that transports iron in the bloodstream. Proteins also play a role in storing essential nutrients. Ferritin, a protein found in cells, stores iron and releases it when needed. This storage mechanism ensures a steady supply of iron for processes like red blood cell production. Similarly, myoglobin, a protein in muscle cells, stores oxygen for use during muscle contractions. These transport and storage functions are crucial for maintaining cellular function and overall health. By consuming enough protein, we support these vital processes and ensure that our bodies have the necessary nutrients for optimal function. This highlights the importance of a balanced diet rich in protein. Section 8. Protein and weight management. Protein plays a significant role in weight management. It can help with both weight loss and muscle gain. Protein has a high thermic effect, meaning it requires more energy to digest compared to carbohydrates and fats. This can boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Protein also promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer. This can reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss. Additionally, protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue, further aiding in weight management. For those looking to gain muscle, consuming enough protein is crucial. Protein provides the building blocks needed for muscle growth and repair. Combining protein intake with resistance training can maximize muscle gain and improve body composition. Whether your goal is weight loss or muscle gain, protein is a key nutrient to include in your diet. Section 9. Protein in diabetes control. Protein can also play a role in managing diabetes. High-protein diets have been shown to improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity. Protein has a minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to carbohydrates, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Consuming protein-rich foods can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes. This is especially important for individuals with type 2 diabetes who often struggle with insulin resistance. By incorporating more protein into their diet, they can improve their blood sugar management and overall health. It's important to choose lean protein sources to avoid excess saturated fat, which can negatively impact heart health. Opting for plant-based proteins such as beans and lentils can provide additional fiber and nutrients. Balancing protein intake with healthy fats and carbohydrates ensures a well-rounded diet for diabetes management. Section 10. Hormonal balance and bone health. Protein is essential for maintaining hormonal balance. Hormones, as mentioned earlier, are made of proteins. Consuming enough protein ensures the proper production and function of these hormones. This is crucial for regulating various physiological processes, including metabolism, growth, and reproduction. Protein also plays a role in bone health. Collagen, a protein found in bones, provides structural support and strength. Consuming enough protein can help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. This is particularly important for older adults who are at higher risk of bone loss and fractures. In addition to collagen, protein also supports the absorption of calcium and other minerals essential for bone health. By ensuring adequate protein intake, we can support both hormonal balance and bone strength. This highlights the multifaceted role of protein in our overall health and well-being. Practical tips for incorporating protein into your diet. Incorporating more protein into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. There are many delicious and convenient protein-rich foods to choose from. Animal sources include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy. Plant-based options include beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, nuts, and seeds. Protein supplements can be convenient, but choose high-quality ones. Include a source of protein in every meal and snack. Spread your protein intake throughout the day for best results.